Zombie apocalypse.
Pakistan. My name is Azhar. You know me from Dirilis Ertugrul as Banu Çiçek. I've been receiving a lot of hundreds of messages full of love and kindness and nice words from you. Thank you very much for it. It really touched my heart. When I think about Pakistan, I always think about a very colorful place and kind people, energetic, and I think it's a crowded country, and I like crowded places. It's a bit like Turkey probably, and you know, as they say, it's two countries, one nation, so I think we're close. And after receiving all these messages, it made me think that Turks and Pakistanis are really similar to each other. I really want to come. I don't know when, probably when these traveling restrictions are a little lighter. I wanna come because there are a lot of things that I'm interested in. Pakistan, the culture, the history. Last but not least, I wanna ask you. Right, are you ready? जब मैं पाकिस्तान आऊंगी क्या आप मुझे चाय पिलाएंगे? Thank you very much again. Thanks a lot and much love to Pakistan. Hope to see you soon. Ciao, bye bye.
Shukriya, Pakistan.